it's me again. Some magician. I'm going to take it apart, check the battery terminals, make sure they're not corroded, do any little touch-ups if I need to clean it or anything like that, but this cart looks pretty much immaculate. I just finished working on Clash at Demon Head. In that game, it was being hilarious on how difficult it was. So I pulled out the Game Genie and I put the Game Genie in. Put a couple codes on. It was fun. I see some leftover flux residue on there. Let's see what the outside looks like. Oh, that looks really good. It's like, no wonder why the save states still work, but look at that board. That is nice. I'm not even going to clean this one. This one looks really good. I'm going to get that leftover flux, though, off of there, I believe. I think I should do that. This stuff right there. Just that little bit. It might not even come off. Oh, it is. Yeah, you can see it's like, I don't know if you can see that yellowness there. That's, yeah, leftover residue. Oh yeah, it's coming off. I don't want to short this out because the save states are still good on it. Might be gone now. Now I know what I'm going to be looking forward to when I have to take these apart and resolder them and use a solder sucker and all that good and happy stuff, and put my Hako on it, or Hako. I think it's Hako soldering iron. I almost feel like going to go get a toothbrush. Just to work some of this free. Yeah, that was gnarly. I'm sure I shorted it out. But yeah, there's a lot of residue on there. And then what I'm going to do is when I take this off, I'm going to put a wire set that comes up here and then the battery terminal right here away from the board, so that if it does ever feel like, going bad on me, popping, bursting, corroding, any of that kind of stuff, it's going to do it inside the terminal here, the little bay that I'm going to have with the battery holder, versus having it on the actual PCB itself. And I'm going to use Cat 5 cable wire because it's really thick and it's a good gauge wire. I still see some flux there, don't you? Hey, you see that bent resistor? It wasn't trimmed all the way. Unless that's a cap. No, that's a resistor, isn't it? Yeah, that's a resistor. That's a cap, that's a cap. There's a diode there for the battery so it doesn't charge, looks like. Okay, well, I'm going to put this back together again. It doesn't need to be replaced. And yeah, I'm going to test her out and see if she plays. See you in a little bit. I'm back. Let's check her out. Yeah, they're all still there. Awesome. So just get that flux off of there. It was good to get that cleared. It's alright. Yay, the save still works. Take care, everyone.